Continuing with the brand, Motorola is also gearing up to launch the Moto Edge 30 for the global market, and it will be called X30 Pro for the Chinese market. It will be launched at 7:30 p.m. in China time. As you can see from the full phone has been leaked out. The design has a flat pack with curved edge on both sides. The top and back of the device has flat edges. You get a rectangular camera with one huge camera cutout, which will be around a 200 megapixel HP1 sensor. You get on the right side a power and volume rocker. You get bottom you have USB-C port, a speaker grill and SIM card slot. It comes with 6.73 inches POLED screen with full HD resolution with 144Hz refresh rate. You get a punch hole design in the front. You get an in-screen scanner. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and it'll come up to 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. It comes with 4500 mAh, and it supports for the first time 125 watts charging, which is the fastest for Motorola till now. As you know, the sensor is around 1 by 1.22 inch size. It has an all new chameleon settle technology, a pixel binning technology that uses 2 by 2, 4 by 4 or full pixel layout. You can get 8K 30 frames per second without any loss of view. It merges 4 adjacent pixels to bring the resolution down to 50 megapixels to take 8K videos. In low light environment, this sensor will transform it by merging 16 pixels into a 12.5 megapixel image. They claim to have more light absorption and sensitivity, but we can never know unless we see it. You get a 50 megapixel telephoto camera and a 12 megapixel wide camera on the back, and it's supposed to have a 60 megapixel selfie camera. So seems to be a very good camera power. Hope it comes to around $800, and they promise at least 3 years of software updates for making it a success. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.